What is up, YouTube? Today I have a comb over skin fade tutorial with the hard part, and I also used some of the paint. It came out really good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Come on, more stuff coming soon, man. I don't want to catch you slipping. Come on, man. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna start by saturating my client's hair. And I always cut the front. I didn't show it in this part of the video, but I cut the front first, and then I make a line through the center. And then I match the line that I cut in the center to the sides. You guys are gonna see it. I don't know if that made sense, but that's how I try to keep it even. And also I decided for this video that I would kind of keep it in real time. I didn't try to speed things up because I wanted you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. So I decided to slow it down. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed that or if you guys want me to make them quicker. Now with my Babyliss liners, I'm gonna make my first guideline. And the line that I'm making, I know it drops down in the back, but that's because my client has a swirl and I don't want to cut into it because then the hairs are going to stick out. But for each client it's different. In this case, I decided to do that. And now with my wall magic clip, I'm gonna open the lever and make my first line, or my second line I guess. And as soon as I make it, I blend it right away. Just to not come back to it. And now I'm taking my half guard and making the third line. And I know in this video I didn't take the bulk down like I usually would, but I just wanted to, cut it faster, so that's why I decided to just start using the guards right away. But for every line that I make, I don't dig into it. I kind of fade out. Because the way I'm flicking out, I'm not trying to dig into it because I'm fading up. And now with my one guard, same thing. Just remember to flick out because you don't want to dig into it. And I'm opening and closing the lever as I do this. You know, keep in mind, you know, it's just whatever I see, whatever my eye captures is all the dark spots. You know, I'm just trying to take them out. And now my 1.5 guard. And as you guys can see, you know, it's starting to come along. And now I'm using my number 2. And now I'm using my clipper over comb. And also when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you comb the hair so it naturally falls into place. You don't want to force anything on the hair. And now I'm gonna line them up. And I constantly always tap when I'm lining them up. I don't really push on my liners because they're really adjusted. And you know, I'm always brushing the hairs because I know there's, you know, some hairs that always poke out. And now I'm using my shavers. And I'm constantly flicking out because I don't want to create a line. And now I'm doing the hard part. I'm holding the comb on my right hand to hold the long hairs. And just remember, when you're doing this, you want to make sure you part it right. You don't want to force it either. You don't want to force a line. And now I'm using some Kiss Express K98. So the way you use the brush, like if you push hard, you're gonna make a real like line, and if you're using it lightly, you're kind of fading into the fade, if that makes any sense. You guys just gotta try it. You'll see what I mean. Now with my motive razor, I'm gonna edge them up. And I don't know if I said it before, but I always like going against the grain because it just makes the line a lot sharper. And now I'm using the Motive texturizing powder and applying it first on the roots of my client's hair. And the powder, what it does, it gives it like a texture and volume. You know, you don't have to put a lot, but you know, I ain't stingy, so your boy has to put some. And now I'm just working the product, well, the powder into my client's hair. There you have it. It's like magic. And there you have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.